Hi guys!
Hey, what's up?
So Devang, why are we here today?
So we thought we'll do the couples question challenge. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
And I believe we're gonna nail it. So,
Yeah. He thinks we're gonna nail it. I
because we're a
think
good couple.
because he thinks we are a good couple.
And the coffee is really strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna read the questions. He's gonna keep his eyes shut and then we both are gonna answer. We're not going to cheat. Let's swear. Devang, open your eyes.
ऐसे नहीं करते. You don't pinky sweat. It's a strong man bond.
Okay. So the first question is, who is most likely to give all their money to charity?
I pay a lot of taxes.
Yeah. Who is most likely to rule the world?
So we used to call you Panchayati. So on a global scale.
You don't have to add that, but yeah, I think girls rule the world. Who's most likely to blow all their money on an impulse buy? It has to be him.
Yeah.
He's just gonna blow out all our money one day
Yeah.
on his camera equipment for I don't know what. not.
It's, don't even ask how much money I'm doing on video games right now.
How are you spending money on video games? Playing games on your computer?
Yeah, but Call of Duty, yeah, they will not. They've made a multi-million-dollar game. They will not give it away for free, right?
Okay, I
Next
did not-
question.
I did not know this
Next
guy is
question.
spending our money on video games.
Yeah.
I'm gonna snatch his laptop after this. Who's most likely to order a pizza within the next 24 hours? It would
What?
definitely be
24
him,
hours?
but
I'll order 3 pizzas by then, I think.
but then
But
we
we
can't
can't.
order pizzas. Yeah. Who's most likely to have 1 million followers on social media?
Oh, that's gonna be. But
Course.
because of
That's a different story. Who's most likely to cancel the plans at last second?
definitely.
Yeah, it has to be me. I have this sudden urge of going out when in the times when we were capable of going
It's
out.
okay. I don't think you need to explain that. Everyone knows.
Okay. Who's most likely to throw a fit during a game of Monopoly? Mm, I it's me. I love to win. I hate losing.
Yeah.
Who's most likely ready to sleep anywhere?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Dude, she sleeps for like 12 hours and
Only on weekends, yeah. Otherwise, I sleep like 5, 6 hours. What?
9. Okay.
Fuck.
Next question.
Definitely lying. Who's most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
1, 2.
Why did you say
Because
that?
it's very obvious. You'll be like, so what if my friend is infected? What if he's a zombie? I'll still go hug him or her. And
Yeah.
he'll become a zombie.
Yeah.
Then I'll have to kill you. But it's okay.
If all my friends become zombie, I don't care. I'm ready to be a zombie.
And I'll shoot the heck out of him.
Who's most likely to lock himself or herself out of the house?
1, 2. Presenting.
I never have keys to our house. Sometimes, if ever I come home early from office, I have to wait for Iban to come back. Who's most likely to be a poet? 1, 2, 3. Of course, I love poetry.
I can't even pronounce poem. Oh, I did. I just did.
Who's most likely to complain about their ex?
What? Oh,
1, 2, 3.
we-
I would never do that.
if any of my 10, 15 exes are watching this video, it could be anyone. 10, 15.
Who's most likely to listen to classical music? 1, 2, 3. Who's most likely to be a stand-up comedian? 1, 2, 3. Who's most likely to be a world traveler? 1, 2, 3.
We both
Both of
दोनों
us.
घूमेंगे.
Both of us.
Yeah.
Go Corona.
Wait, who did you point to? You pointed to yourself.
If one of us has to, I'll obviously choose myself. Who's most likely to start their own business? 1, 2, 3.
You won't.
I will one day, and that day is coming very soon. Most likely to become a professional gambler. 1, 2, 3.
Uh,
Not him for sure, not me as well, but definitely not him.
I gamble with life. That
Who's most likely to watch romantic movies? One, two, three.
I also like them
Doesn't
actually.
like rom-coms.
I also like them.
Most likely to write a bestseller. One, two, three. You cheated, but I'm okay with your
no.
answer.
My answer is this one.
Who's most likely to do weird things in public? One, two, three.
Sorry, I
You pointed out towards yourself.
yeah.
I do weird things in
No, you
public.
don't.
I've
You're
never seen him
constantly-
doing weird things.
You're
in public.
constantly embarrassed of me when you're in public.
Okay. Who's most likely to worry about small things? One, two, three. Oh, such a big thinker, always overthinking. Who's most likely to reinvent himself or herself? One, two, three.
But you like, I mean, you think you're sorted.
Okay, yeah, I may be wrong. I don't know. Too deep, bro, too deep. Who's most likely to spend all of his or her time thinking? One, two, three. He barely thinks about anything sorted in his life.
I think about food.
That was the list.
So, does that make us a good couple?
Who's gonna tell? But you said we are a good couple.
I did not talk like Apu from Simpsons. But we are good.
We are good. Trust me.
Thank you. Come again.